Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect NIIMBOT B21 Pro label printer to our smartphone. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If the menu or options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. The only way to use the NIIMBOT label printer is by connecting this with the NIIMBOT mobile app. This app is available for some desktop devices too. They also have a premium paid subscription which gives us more options and label designs, but the free version should be more than enough for normal usage. Let's first insert the label roll inside the device properly. We can take the label and we can remove this. Remove this tag. So this is the label we got by default. So what we have to do is we have to go to this section and then we should not keep it like this. We have to keep it like this. We have to keep it in this position. Now we can adjust this tape slot to fit this completely. We have to press it like this and then it will fit this properly. We can leave a bit of tape extending like this. Then we can close this. That's all. Now we can turn on the device by long pressing the power button for 3 seconds. So yeah, that's all. Then we can go to the App Store or Play Store to download this NIIMBOT app. After that, we can open the app. They will give us an option to use the app without creating an account, but we can create one to keep track of things. After that, our home screen will look like this. Now let's see how to add our label printer here. We can charge our device if we haven't. Make sure the device is turned on. This specific B21 Pro model supports multi-device Bluetooth connectivity. Now on our home screen, we can select this connect option here. We can also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And after that, we can select connect. We can select allow. So here we can see our label printer model B21 Pro. We can select connect, connecting. We can allow this. That's all. We can see the light green here. We have a new firmware update. We can update this now. It may take some time. We can see the blue color light blinking here. Firmware is updating. The device will auto shut down and restart after the completion. So we have to keep that in mind. We can also manually turn on the device. And then we can select connect. We can see our device name here. We can select connect. Connection successful. That's all. We can see our device at the top. B21 Pro. Now let's start printing the labels. It will automatically detect the kind of label we have inside the printer. We can see that here. We can select this and we can see all the details about this. We can see the properties of this: waterproof, oil resistance, stickiness, all these details we can see about that. And at the top we can see our connected device. We can select that to see the number of labels remaining. We can see the battery level. We can see the firmware version and all these details. I'm going to print a demo label now. So I'll go to this use. To type DeviceBAR. Okay, DeviceBAR. I'll add something else. We will add a small icon now. This VIP means we have to use their paid premium subscription. We'll just add a random icon. Enough. We will add another small icon. Just random icons. Okay, that's all. Okay, just a random label. We will print this now. Now at the bottom we will have this print option. We can select that. So we can confirm our design. We can select the number of copies we want, print density, all these options. If you're okay with this, we can select print. That was really fast. We can remove it like this. We have a blade here. So this is the label. That was honestly really fast. The print quality is good too. The best part is we don't have to add any ink or toner for this. This NIIMBOT printer uses thermal technology to print all this. We can easily remove the sticker, put it anywhere we want. Looks nice. These are the steps to connect NIIMBOT B21 Pro label printer to our smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.